So for today's video, I would like to share to you the basic command that you can use in command prompt. So there are two ways to access the command prompt. First is the window key plus R, or you can access through this search bar and type command prompt. Just type command prompt. Here it is. So this is the first thing you see if you access SAMD or command prompt. So let's try the first command, which is dir. Let me move this one. So the use of dir is to list the files and folders in the current directory. So here it is. So these are the available files you can see in the current directory. This one, all of this. Okay. If you want to go or you want to access a file, you need to use the change directory command, which is the cd. So just type cd and the file name that you want to access. So I want to access the desktop. So cd space desktop and enter. And let's check. See the dir. Type dir. If you can see the desktop files here. So let's check. Circuits, code Python, data structure. Let's see. Here is data structure, circuits, code Python. So from this, you can say that the command you entered is successful. So to go back to your current directory, just type cd dot dot. So here it is. Cd space dot dot, and you're already back in your current directory, which is the EC. The next command is the md command. So using this command, you can create a folder. If you want to create a folder, just use the md command. So for example, I want to create a folder on desktop. So first, I must access first the desktop. So for me to access the desktop, I must type the cd, which is the change directory command, and the desktop cd desktop. So here I want to create a folder named pl, os. So for me to create a folder, I must use the command md space os and enter. So let's check if it's there. os. Here it is, the os folder that I created earlier. So the next command is the command rmdir, which it can delete a folder. Like for example, if I want to delete the folder I created, like this os, if I want to delete this os, I can do it here in SAMD. So just type rmdir for the delete command and the file name of the file that you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete the os and enter. So let's check again if OS folder is already deleted. So okay, it's already deleted here. The next command is the command copy, which you can copy the file you created or already exists to the other file. So first, if I want to copy this EA text and O to LOL. So before I can do that, I must access first the OP file. So again, let's type cd space OP, enter. So okay, for me to transfer this or copy this EA and O text, just type copy space and copy the file location of this text. Properties, and here. Okay. Copy X and paste it here. Okay. Okay. Here it is. And where do you want to copy that file? So in my case, I want to copy that EA and O to LOL. So I must put it here, LOL, and enter. So it says 2 files copied. So when we access the LOL, you can see the EA, the text, and O text file. So let me remove this one again. The next command is the move command, which you can move file from one folder to another. So for example, if I want to move this new folder to LOL, I must use or type move command. Just type move space the file you want to move, LOL, new folder 2, and where do you want to move that folder? So in my case, I want to move it to LOL. Okay, enter. 1dir move, it says 1dir move. So let's check. So here it is. The new folder 2 have been transferred in the LOL folder. So again, let me send it back here. Okay. The next command is ren or rename, which you can change the name of a file. So for example, I want to rename this folder LOL. So just type rename space LOL and the word that you want to change, the word LOL. So I want to change to OS. So let's check. So here it is. The folder LOL changed to OS. The next command is the rmdir command, which you can delete a file. So for example, you want to delete this OS file. The command that you must use is the rmdir. So just type rm just type rmdir with the file name of the file that you want to delete. So in my case, I want to delete this OS. So I must type OS. Enter. So let's check if we can see the OS here. So the OS folder is now gone on this OP folder. So that means that the command we entered is successful. The next command is type command, which display contents of a text file. So if you want to view the what's inside or the text inside this EA and O text file, you can use command prompt for this. So just type TYPE space the file name EA and its file extension, or what kind of file is that? TXT space and enter. So it says that inside your EA.txt is high. So for us to be sure that what's inside the EA is high, let's must access this one. So here it is. So it's correct. It's high. So next command. The next command is fc command, which compares two files and display the difference between them. So if you want to compare what's inside these two text files, just use the command fc space o.txt and the other text that you want to compare it with the O. So ea.txt. Enter. So you can see that inside the O.txt there is high 2021 operating, and the ea.txt you can see the high text there. So let's check if it's true. So in EA you can see high, which is, it says here that EA is high, while the O, it says 2020 high 2021 operating, where you can see that it's also that you can see already, you can see it here, the high 2021 operating. The next command is help, which provides more details about the command prompt. So if you type help, if you want, you can see the different command that you can use when you use this command prompt. Okay, how should I move this one? Okay. The next command is echo, which displays a message. So if you want to add a text on your existing text using command prompt, just use echo, just type echo space the text or the phrase that you want to add, which I want to add OS, and then use the less than sign to locate the file, and the file name of the text that you want to add the OS word, where you want to add the OS word. So I want to add to ea.txt. Enter. Let's see if we can see the OS word in the ea.txt. So here it is, the OS. Okay, next. The next command is the CLS. If you want to delete all the things you input earlier, just type CLS to clear your workspace. So just type CLS and it will be all be gone or deleted. And lastly, if you are done with your project or assignment and if you want to close this command prompt, you can use the command exit and it's done. So thank you for watching this tutorial.